Okay. I'm not gonna be mad. I'm not gonna be mad. Though I am a little bit mad, but like I recorded this thing a while ago and again it wasn't recorded. I'm gonna do it again, final time. Now, you got better at your push-up. You got to the point of where you're able to do your normal push-up. And now you wanna get even more better at doing your push-up, right? So you do the reverse of what we did to get better at the push-up. The reverse, as in we're doing decline, right? Decline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? That's the first step in the decline. And then from there, like I said, you do the reverse of what you did. You do the reverse of what you did when you started getting better at your push-up. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Decline. And you keep going up. Just like it. You go up. Now, so that's what I would do. If I really wanted to improve my push-up, I would take the time and actually dedicate myself to doing this. How often? At least 3 days a week, alternate days, okay? At least 3 days a week, alternate days. And I would aim to get 5 sets of 6 reps. So if you do the first set and you're able to get the 6 reps, I would try to get that 5 set of 6 reps total. And I'll try to do this twice a day. So I'll do it in the morning when I wake up, and I'll do it in the evening before I shower or right before bed, you know what I mean? Like even after dinner, like it helps, workout helps you digest your food. So you can literally do this after you eat your dinner. Like you finish your plate, you put it in the sink, and you jump down and you start doing some push-ups. I've done these things before, so it helps. I'll literally be burping the entire way, so my food is digesting. So by the time it's time for me to sleep, like the food is, it's not on my stomach that much, but it's really started moving through my system. Now, yeah, so yeah, I recommend that, like at least 3 days a week. You can do more, it's up to you, but recovery is important when it comes to me and training. So like, you want to give yourself time for that. Now, I would say a month is good time to tell if something is working. Yes, 2 months is as well. But like for the marker for me, I would say I would want to see you doing this consistently, at minimum 3 days a week, 2 days a week, 2 times a day for 3 months. And if you're not seeing any progress after 3 months, something is wrong with you. Yeah, because you're supposed to be improving. You're supposed to be improving after the first month. And after the second month, you should be improving. And after the third month, you must be improving. So if you're not improving, something is wrong with you. And we need to, yeah. But yeah, I say 3 months because it's an ideal time to really be like, okay, something is really off here. You know what I mean? So, but you can feel it within your body and stuff, like how effective it is over time. So yeah. All right, I'm done. Peace out. Enjoy.